Okay, it's okay now. All right, let's make our offer. Yes. Una good afternoon. Abio Stella Gegele. Abio. Why wearing lights?
Mami.
Eh? How? Where the one I walk but say how to dey ring lights? Baby. Need to come my there. My word my there. So the reason I'm here, even here after Mogi money we do no. So when we are here do time. Even here lady please thank you. Even here go kan botana o emi no kan me okueva. Ya go kan no kan me okueva. Iga ten no kan me okueva ne. Before que woman you only Google before que go me share live video now. Merci merci sorry not the hear me slow connection. Topic when I want to talk about two wives. That be the topic. I want to talk about two wives, marriage of two wives. So now be what I want to talk about, and I want to use Benite talker. Bi ma wande eri ma bijima ma don wa ya polygamy, polygamous home. There are some polygamous home today. You see all the children. Now I go know whether na this woman born this one, they all of them. Now not go even know the one with this woman born, the one with this other woman born. All of them they together. Then there are also some polygamous home. You will see the children where they born from that home. If they talk their story, you will say, Jesus, God forbid, or anything that has to do with polygamy, consign me, God forbid, I reject it, good, you understand? When some children from polygamous home talk to you about their upbringing, you go hate, you say, God. When some, now they hear me, some children from polygamous home still talk to you, say, wow, polygamy is very sweet, polygamy is very good, So the reason, I still don't they hear me. The reason why they be like that, I want to talk with experience. I want to talk what I know about them small. Now okay, now so many women when their husband one married second wife, why did they fight? Why did they quarrel? Why did they say they don't want? Now I want to tell you today. The reason why we say women, not be even today women, even olden days then, not be today that fight of say if husband want marry join wife, not be today the fight starts. You don't say. Now from our forefathers the fight day. That's why I see say that they use them go they swear juju that time they say because men who get bad thing for not do the other one bad. If they get bad thing, not do each other bad. Now me they go they use them they do all those things, all those quotes that time. Not be today the fight starts. The reason why be say no woman they want me their husband marry join them. You see, you know what is called competition. Competition. I want this message now for women. We women. This life is a very, very easy life. The way God take creator. Very, very sweet and very, very easy. I will use Sarah as an example. Sarah for Bible as an example. When Sarah and her husband don't get pikin, they don't feel born. They don't feel born. When Sarah bring that idea to my husband, as he be so, say we not feel born. This my house girl. Make you just lay with her. Make it born for you. Since me, I'm not feel born for you. What did the husband tell her? The husband can't tell her, say, no, my wife, I no go fit try her. Because I don't want any problem for you. I don't want any problem for you at all. I don't want to make any woman can't give you problem. I don't want to make any woman can't disrespect you. I don't want to make any woman can't they follow you, they do competition. I don't want. They said I come and say, no, this pikin na me trainer. Na me she dey with. Na me they feed her. You understand? Na me they feed her and everything. Anything when I tell her, now she go do. Now my daughter as well. Pikin when I train, she not go disrespect me. She not go disobey me. Just do wetin I want. Make this shame for come up for our body. So that we go still get pikin for this house. Pikin go see the way go they cry up and down, we go they play up and down. The husband can't say, okay, go think about it. I can't really think about it. I say, okay, fine, no problem. Let's do it. They come join. The girl can't really get belly. She can't born. After she born finish, what it can happen? When she born finish, she can say, yes, I don't born.
Thank you guys.
This woman so where I be the serve, where I be the do house girl for. She not born for this man, I me born for this man. The thing can't enter her head. I born boy. Now me get this man. Now it is time for me to disrespect this woman. She can't begin let the thing enter her head. She can't follow the woman. They do competition. She can't follow and they do dragging. She can't they do some kind things when not work. Now I say I can't cry. Say, ew. Now me this small pikin they do like this. You see this the way my husband tell me that, and I'm true to see her now. See the way this pikin can they do now. Now I send the pikin when we got that born. Message. This girl now tell me say, may I go born my own, may I not say pikin message again. Say I can't begin to cry. When Sarah don't they cry, then your husband can call and say, okay, what do you want make I do for you now? Sarah can say, as this pikin take disrespect me so, the only thing that will give me joy now for you to just drive her. Tell her make she they go. Now Moses can say, okay, my wife, your wish, yeah, Aga, carry your pikin, you and your pikin, make una go. Abraham, carry your pikin.